This guy, he's having too much fun. Oh, he jumped in. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. And there's my brother over there. He brought out his slow car. There's it looks like a middle finger, I can't tell. It may be a middle finger from here. There's my brother Jay with Ifrit. There's my man Dom right there with Sapphire. Oh man, we look like we about to do Fast and the Furious, man. Oh man. Yeah, so the Avengers assembled today. We're gonna do a couple pulls. You guys gonna see the difference between a boosted car and a non-boosted car. It's just a whole lot of horsepower behind me, a whole lot of power. Let's get into it. What's going on, YouTube? Riding with the Wulf real quick. Man, they leaving me. My brother Ifrit right there. Let me roll the windows up. I don't want to get too much wind noise in the video. Man, get out of here, Jeep. Yeah, you know, we just cruising right now. We playing a little bit, but not too much, you know. Nice little ride with the boys. You hear it hissing. You see the boy? He don't want no. Get out of here, bro. You just a little. What's going on, y'all? Oh, okay. He done try to take me for strong, y'all. A little bit of horsepower. I see you. I see ya. Just having fun, man, having fun. But every time we try to get it from a dig, you know, the light turns green or there's somebody slow in front of us. So we've been just doing like flybys. We haven't been doing like an actual from a dig race. I mean, not race. Here, man, it's your little G37, man. Folks. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a pretty dramatic difference between my supercharged car and their non-supercharged cars. The blue one is a GT and the The red one is a SXT Plus. And we lost him. So I just passed an orange 6.4 liter Scat pack. I don't know if he wants to race, but if he does, I'm gonna bait him. I'm gonna bait him. So if he catches up to me, I'm gonna bait him. Let's see what happens. I know from a dig I got a great chance. From a dig I'll probably win, but from a roll, especially a high end roll, his chances they're pretty good with the the extra 2 cylinders. But it'd be fun. It'd be fun. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna have to walk this man. Walk that man. I don't know if that was a good shot because I just turned and flipped it all the way around. But yeah, with the supercharger, an SXT, another V6 doesn't have a chance. I don't care if he's got. It doesn't matter what he has, unless he has a supercharger too. He's getting smoked. He's getting smoked. I'm not even using paddle shifters right now. I'm just hitting the gas, and I'm walking them. Paddle shifters, even if like the blue Sapphire, he has an exhaust on his car, a full catback boiler exhaust. The other one is almost stock. He doesn't have many mods, the red one, but it doesn't matter. If it's not supercharged, they don't have a chance. They don't have a chance. Like RTs, get out of here, champ. Get out of here with your RT. But the 392s and the Scat packs, the 6.4, but those have the best chance for sure. But from a dig, no, I'm probably gonna win. I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but it's likely. This guy, he's having too much fun. Oh, he jumped the gun. Yeah, the Lambo, he was scared. He didn't want to race. But you see it. That's about it for this video, guys. I'm not sure how much of that I got, how much I didn't get. I'm really gonna have to go through and look through the footage. But it was fun. Man, I should have turned my lights off. I can't even see my car. Cerberus in the back looking beastly. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. You guys got anything you want to say?
We hit that shit, bro. That shit, man.
Okay. I know you don't want to say nothing.
No. He said it was excellent.
You know him from the last video. He's not a good guy. Not a good guy. Tune into the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba doo.